Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make an Earnpe account and get it approved. So let's get started. Step 1. First, you need to visit Earnpe platform. The sign up link is provided in the description. Click on that link to open the sign up form. Step 2. Once the sign up form is open, you need to fill the basic details such as name, phone number, email ID, password, username, traffic source. Step 3. In the traffic source section, select the platform where you will share the deal. For example, if you are using WhatsApp group, select WhatsApp and paste the invite link of your group. Step 4. After filling all your details, click on sign up button to create your account. Step 5. Once you signed up, the Earnpe approval team will contact you in 24 hours, either via email or WhatsApp. Make sure all the details you provided are accurate. They will provide you with approval and further steps on how to use their platform. And that's it. It is that simple to create an Earnpe account and get it approved. We will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, then do like and share it to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Take care and happy earning with Earnpe.